Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and check in online on Air Arabia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google and type in airarabia.com. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check in online on Air Arabia. So go to Air Arabia online check-in page, which I will be of course giving you now. So you have the check-in online page, which you need to go to. So this is the check-in online page. So when you're in the check-in online page, you can go and click on check-in online. So as you can see, skip the lines and check in online from 48 hours before departure. Select your seat and get your boarding pass instantly. For even smoother experience, download the Air Arabia mobile app to receive flight notifications and updates. So this is something, of course, I will highly recommend you also doing and going and downloading the application. Then go and click on check-in online. Of course, here you need to go and put in your reservation number. For example, we have the example how the reservation number looks here. The departure airport, as you can see, we have an example here also. Then date of travel, and then find booking and check in. I don't have a booking at the moment, so that's why I cannot do this for you guys. But then you just need to go and click on check in. When you click on check in, then of course you will be checked in. Of course, obviously, with your booking and everything, you just need to go and put in your passport details and everything they ask you for. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.